Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's find reset options, they should be at the very bottom. And right here we've got the network settings kind of divided into two different sections, so mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi separately. So all we have to do is to tap on the specific option, then tap on reset settings. Be aware that you cannot undo this action, and tap on reset settings. As you can see, we've got this information, which means that it worked. So now we can do the same with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Tap on reset, and basically this is how it works. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.